Assalamualaikum. Welcome back po sa ating channel. Ang problem natin for today ay isang passport problem na mula sa Hydraulics and Geotechnical Engineering. What is the pressure in kilopascal at the base of a container filled with 1 meter deep water inside an elevator that is accelerating upward at a rate of 2 meter per second square? Okay, so ito ang ating container and meron itong tubig na ang height ng tubig ay 1 meter. And ito naman yung pressure at the bottom nitong container. And ang ating elevator is moving upward with an acceleration of 2 meter per second square. Pressure at the bottom and ang formula na gagamitin natin ay ito. Unit weight ng water ay 9.81 kN per cubic meter and acceleration due to gravity ay 9.81 meter per second square. So, dalawa ang ating operator sign dito, plus kapag moving upward and minus kapag moving downward. So, ang problem natin for today ay moving upward yung kanyang elevator. So, that means plus ang ating gagamitin. Pressure at the bottom is 11.81 kN per square meter. And since kilopascal ang kailangan, then convert natin ito. 1 kN per square meter is equal to 1 kilopascal. Yan. Ito na ang ating final answer. Problem solved mga tol, and see you again sa ating next problem, inshallah. Assalamualaikum.